Afternoon guys, how's everyone doing? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope you're all in the best of health, best of wealth, being the best version of yourself you could possibly be. Welcome to my channel guys, Motocross Mania TV. So yeah, just got my little KTM out and I'm giving it a cycle, a heat cycle, which is what you've got to do after you do a top end rebuild. You've got to give it a good few heat cycles and actually run the piston in before you rag it. So yeah, this is the first kick, or sorry, the second kick after the rebuild. Give it a little bit of choke. Love it to see a bit of two strokes coming out the exhaust. That's a good thing. And the smell is infectious. I'm using Castrol and it actually smells like the Castrol R. See that first kick after the rebuild. Peace. Don't take over. What a beautiful sound, what a beautiful smell. KTM rebuilt it from the ground upwards. She is fucking mint.